Good day everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and on this tutorial I'll be showing you how to save your design or your model on SolidWorks and then open it on your Ansys. For most of the person that are finding it difficult to design a model with Ansys design modeler, SolidWorks is one of the easy to use for your modeling. So quickly I'll just show you how to save your work and then export it to Ansys. So okay, so this is all actually a wind turbine, and I drew this and I need to go over this again. So that is it. So you just head over here and then you come over here to your file and then you hit save as. Okay, and then oh sorry, I already created a folder for it. So this is the folder I had for it. Okay, so you simply go down here on the drop down, okay, the save as type, and then you click on IGES. Okay, we have IGES and step AP203 and step AP214. So you can either save it as IGES or step file. Okay, so once you click on, personally I like using the IGES. Okay, so you can click on the IGES extension and then you can see I had already saved it as that. Okay, so I didn't do that again. So all right, so that's how to save. So you go ahead to click your save, and of course I have to replace this because I had already saved it. Okay, so that will be showing processing, and then turn to save it as the IGS file type. Okay, so that is that, and I'll be going ahead to open that particular file on my Ansys. Okay, all right. So on your Ansys, you simply open your workbench and then you head over to your geometry. Of course, you know that after opening your workbench, you have to drag on any of this tool. Okay, for this I'm using static structural. Okay, so you head over to your geometry and then you click on your geometry and then this will come up. So you go ahead to click your new design modeler geometry. Okay, so once you click that, another window will pop up. Meanwhile, this will be showing you starting designer modeler. So you have to wait for this to finish and then this return to green. Okay, so let's just hold on. Okay, your static structural design modeler is off. So you simply head over to the file and then you go down to your drop down. You will see import external geometry file. So you click on it. Once that comes up, okay, so I'll simply navigate to where I actually saved that file. So that is where I saved it. And so this is my file, the wind turbine assembly. So I'll simply